Hi, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. This morning, sitting out on the patio, I get asked this question. Teddy, if I save a LinkedIn member in Sales Navigator, called a lead, will that LinkedIn member know I saved them as a lead? So rather than give them an answer, I figured I'd create this video. So in Sales Navigator, go to Sales Navigator, all of the people that I've saved as leads, they show up in the alert list. It's not called a news feed at this point, it's called alerts. Now, if I bring up a new lead, let me go look for a guy named Randy Wooden. So here's Randy Wooden. So if I click over here on the three dots, and if I click on the word save, it's going to ask me where to save it. I can either save it in a custom list or under my saved leads. Now I can do that from the word save here. I can also do it from his profile, the profile view in Sales Navigator, not LinkedIn. And from his profile view in Sales Navigator, there's the save button and there's the same activity. Save it into the bucket of my saved leads or in a custom list. When I do that, then it wants to know what company to associate him with. Click the company he works for locally, hit save. Now I've saved him as a lead in my Sales Navigator. Now future activity that he does could show up under alerts for me to see what Randy is doing on LinkedIn. He does not know that I saved him as a lead. There are only 3 things on Sales Navigator that a LinkedIn member is going to know you did. Number 1, if I view his profile from Sales Navigator, he's going to see I viewed his profile. Number 2, if I send him a message from Sales Navigator, he's going to know that I sent him a message because he's going to get the message. And the third thing that he may know that I did from Sales Navigator is if I engage on his content in the pop-up window, like it or comment on it, he's going to get a notification that I engaged on his content. But he is not going to know if I saved him on a list. He's not going to know if I saved him. He's not going to know if I removed him from a list. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this information is helpful for you.